Privacy AI has just been released, and if you're looking for a game-changing solution to protect your personal data online, you're in the right place. In this review, we're going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Privacy AI, including its features, benefits, and why it's making waves in the digital world. Stick around till the end for some powerful tips on how to get the most out of this software. It might just change the way you protect your privacy forever. First things first, what exactly is Privacy AI? This software uses advanced artificial intelligence to help users secure their sensitive data in ways that traditional security tools can't match. It's designed to safeguard your information in the digital age where privacy breaches are becoming more and more common. One of the key things that sets Privacy AI apart is its ability to proactively block invasive trackers. With websites and apps constantly tracking our every move online, Privacy AI acts as a powerful shield, stopping them before they even have a chance to gather your data. Think of it as your personal bodyguard for the internet, keeping your browsing habits safe. Another standout feature is its real-time protection. Unlike other privacy tools that only scan after the fact, Privacy AI continuously monitors your online activity and prevents threats as they occur. This is huge because it means your personal data stays secure even while you're browsing the web or using apps. But that's not all. Privacy AI also provides encrypted browsing, ensuring that even if your data is intercepted, it's nearly impossible for anyone to make sense of it. This level of encryption is crucial, especially if you're someone who handles sensitive business or personal information online. Privacy AI also integrates with a variety of platforms, making it super easy to use whether you're on a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. It's compatible with both Android and iOS, which means you're covered across the board. Plus, its lightweight design means it won't slow down your device, so you can keep working, browsing, and gaming without any hiccups. Now, let's talk about user-friendliness. Privacy AI is incredibly easy to set up. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, the software walks you through everything in just a few simple steps. And the dashboard is clean, intuitive, and allows you to see exactly how your data is being protected in real time. Lastly, Privacy AI is completely free to try. That's right. You can test all of these amazing features without any commitment. Simply click the first link in the description below and you can start using Privacy AI today to see if it's right for you. As someone who has reviewed hundreds of AI tools, I can tell you that Privacy AI stands out as one of the best I've seen for keeping your data secure. In fact, after testing thousands of AI tools, Privacy AI is now one of my top recommendations for anyone serious about online privacy. To wrap things up, if you care about protecting your data and want a tool that provides peace of mind while you browse, I highly recommend giving Privacy AI a try. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore more AI tools that I've personally vetted and tested, many of which you can try for free. Thanks for watching.